गोंय राज्याची भलायकी मंत्री आणि राज्य महिला आयुक्ताक गोंय वैजकी महाविद्यालयात जाल्ल्या लांच प्रकरणाची चौकशी करपाक अपयस आयला असो खर आरोप गोंय काँग्रेसीचे म्हणण्यारे ट्रोजेनो डी मेलो हांणी केला। ब्रेस्तारा काँग्रेस हाऊसांत घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेत ते उलयताले। RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
How can this silence be there? The only reason of their silence can be that they were not aware of such a thing. Now, I am making it aware. I want the medical council, who has got a responsibility to check corruption and to stop illegal practices or to take action on the illegal practices within the medical fraternity, they should come out with a total explanation. And they should intervene and direct the JMC to stop such malpractices. There is a matter going on about the bribery in the medical college in the MD section of the skin department. The director of administration of Goa Medical College over 10 days has sent a report to the health department. The health minister is on record to say he has not received any report. Why is this being delayed? Who is pulling strings where to cover up this case? And why is the health minister so complacent on this issue? Why he could get that report for himself directly from the medical college, at least for his reference. Has he done that? What has the Women's Commission done till today? I raised it up. There is a lady, pregnant lady involved, who is going under mental torture, went under mental torture during her pregnancy, then her result was delayed. The Women's Commission until today is silent. So how do we have a Women's Commission here to protect the women or to allow them to be exploited? And they will come into play only when somebody comes to them and complains to them. When it is wide in the press that such a thing has happened, there is no denying that such a thing has not happened. And yet the Women's Commission asks him to be silent because there is nothing at least told to you all that this is the action we are taking.